You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
I'm looking at the mirror, wondering what the fuck is wrong with me. Such a long story, I wouldn't even ignore it. Everybody knows me as the strange one. I put that shit on page one. I guess if you're afraid, bro, I'm at a point I really couldn't give a fuck less about it. I'm gonna be the best out here, fuck all of the rest of you. Paint a picture perfect with these verses when I use them right. Music is my life, I try to always put the truth inside it. Everybody's at me asking where the fuck you been, bro. Slave to this paper and this pencil has been slow. At least I'm making progress, though all you talk is nonsense. Flexing at me up until you notice that I'm not impressed. Hot shot, you got that little bulletproof vest on, but I can still put it through your motherfucking chest, homie. Smoke half of it and I wouldn't even take the rest home with me. I could be the greatest rapper that you've ever known. Set in stone, never gonna change. I'm just trying to set the record for the glory and the fame. I pay for all my sins with pennies and monopoly money. It's just a joke, but it's not even funny. It's fucked up, man.
Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
Looking out the window, wonder what the fuck it's come to. Motherfuckers covering up the truth, and that's nothing new. At least I've got integrity, and at least I've got my friends with me. At least I know that when I close my eyes, I can rest in peace. Tendencies to never see the changes in us, but I know that none of us will ever be the same. I'm placing all my faith in chasing or creating a dream, and then I'll use it to explain just what I mean. So do you understand? Rapper kid stacking up his chips, he's half ready just to quit. Thinks that half of it is shit, he keeps at it though. And had it happened any other way, he might have packed up all his raps and then just threw them all away. Like fuck it, but I didn't, and I've risen up above a lot of shit you wouldn't even step. And I'm a seasoned vet and I'm a lethal weapon. Better than your average ordinary every day. It's probably only cause I do this every day. Now I'm running out of shit to say. Shit, I've been in it since the 7th grade. Started out as weak as 7 days and now I'm set ablaze. Fire burning every time I spit a verse. I fucking love it, but I feel I'm living with the curse.
Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
Looking at the ball, I guess I'm giving up. I guess I'm getting fucked. I guess I never learned my lesson and burn my bridges up. And everybody walking on them's gone now. Ashes, ashes, watching as they fall down. I made a point and then forgot it. Now I'm really just rambling, spilling all my guts to be the champion, and my chances thin. I'm at my last drop, I'm about to pass out, sitting at the bottom of this bottle. It's a bad spot, bad mouthing everybody. Me, I don't make mistakes. Sharp as motherfucking razor blades and never saving face. It doesn't make sense, I don't question it. Fuck it all, throw it at the pile with the rest of it. Bad temper, mood swings and a slew of things. My grip on reality is loosening, I'm losing strength. You don't know me and there's no need to pretend to. Where will I be when I'm 22? I hope it's somewhere new. I hope that God answers, I hope he even exists. I hope his reasoning is legit. When he deceives me, it's a bitch, ain't it? Half of all the rich and famous rappers in this industry don't even say shit, but he makes me sick.
Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. out of sight when I see you. And I